Namaste, this is Dr. Joby George, Senior Ayurveda Consultant at Ishka Healthcare, HSR Layout, Bangalore. Today I am talking on care for the new mother post-delivery in the Ayurvedic methods. In Ayurveda, the lady postpartum is called the Sutika, and this period is for 3 months, though some follow it for 45 days also. More than 70 diseases are explained in Ayurveda if the mother is not given proper care during this time. Talking about confinement room, it is practiced very much in India, in the Asian countries and some Western countries. Thanks to COVID for showing us the importance of isolation during this period, that is post-delivery. The Sutika Gar or the confinement room should be really very spacious and away from easy entry of people. Easy entry of air and wind should be restricted, but it should have ample sunlight streaming into the room. Also see that you don't use too much of fan or AC, as this increases pain and swelling in the body. Clean and mop the room daily, as all these things that I have said, it helps in reducing germs and infections. You can light a fire in the room with medicated herbs like turmeric, chandan, neem and whatever other things that you get. This helps to keep the room warm and also reduce any germs or infection. Taking care of the sense organs is also important, as the body becomes supple after the pregnancy and the delivery. To protect the ears, you can use cotton balls inside the ear and cover your head with a scarf. The eyes, we know, are really stressed out because the mother doesn't get proper sleep. It is important that we rest the eyes a lot. So reading, stitching, watching TV, mobile or any other electronic devices should be minimized. As the gums are also supple, it should be taken care that the new mother should not be given anything hard to chew on in the initial stage. The mother should talk softly, slowly and less during this time. The problems like headache, gum pain, toothache, bleeding gums, motor neuron diseases, such things can be avoided if you follow these things that I have said. The oil application and the herbal bath is given much importance in Ayurveda, and it is also followed very religiously here in South India. If you have had a cesarean section, please wait for 15 days before you can start these procedures, otherwise it can cause infection. Various Vadahara oils are available in the market, but it is always best that you consult with your Ayurvedic doctor to know which oil suits you best. If you don't get anything, simple sesame oil or mustard oil will do. Applying oil on your head and body calms you down, relaxes you, relieves your pain and strain in the muscle. It lubricates the sense organs, stimulates the hair follicles, increases the breast milk production and much more. For the herbal bath, you can boil water with Dashamula Churnam, Nalpamra Churnam or with any Vadahara leaves that is available to you. But please make sure that you don't pour boiling hot water on yourself and burn yourself. Keep the temperature 40 to 60 degree that you can bear. Avoid using hot water for your head. You can also use these leaves and churnam to foment your whole body and the abdomen. This helps to reduce the swelling in the body and heal the uterus faster. Here I would like to mention that we give treatments and therapies for the new mother at Ishka Healthcare, which is not practiced much in other Ayurvedic centers. Now talking about belly binding. Belly binding is very important postpartum, as it gives firmness to the abdomen and reduces all vacuum. It prevents wind formation in the uterus and vagina. It prevents the prolapse of uterus in future. It gives a satisfaction when you eat and also reduces your back pain. I always recommend the cotton homemade belly binders which suit your waistline which is more better than that we get in the market, which can heat up your abdomen. Just immediately after delivery, in the first week, try to keep a simple food habit and always light food that is easily digestible, as we know that the body is really very supple, the digestive system is weak, and avoid any non-veg. Once the digestion improves, you can take food that are rich in iron, calcium, vitamin A, zinc, and foods that help to restore the uterus and increase breast milk. Avoid gas-inducing foods like capsicum, cauliflower, cabbage, legumes, chickpeas, and other such food. Avoid bakery items, packeted foods, and also try to avoid eating from outside at least for the first 6 months. Anxiousness, depression, and anxiety are common to postpartum. But please remember that if it continues for a long time, you need medical intervention. To know more about this topic and also to avail home care packages, visit our website www.ishkaayurveda.com, or you can visit us in person here at Ishka Healthcare, HSR Layout, Bangalore, for all treatments and therapies. We follow all COVID-19 protocols for your safety. Delivery is always a joyful occasion for the family and friends, but stressful occasion for the mother and newborn. But enjoy the moment and enjoy the bliss. Stay healthy. Thank you.